Hey, it's Michael. Welcome back to Third Gen Garage. Today I'm going to be working on cleaning out the idle air control valve. I'm getting a rough idle, or like an inconsistent idle, so it'll drop down to like 500 RPM or sometimes shoot up to like 1500. And I'm hearing that that might be caused by the idle air control valve, especially when coming to a stop. So today I'm going to be removing that and cleaning it out and reinstalling it. So let's get started. Start by removing the intake tube. Actually, just kind of swinging it over. Two Phillips head screws and a plug. So that's what it looks like. Doesn't even really look that dirty, but maybe it's sticking inside. I'm gonna spray it out, get it put back on. All right, for this I'm gonna take off the gasket because I don't want to damage it. There we go. Just want to kind of spray in there. Clean it out. Yeah, just kind of. It says the stuff is fast drying, so. Ooh. Yeah, there's some stuff coming out of there. All right, I'm just gonna let that sit out upside down. Let that dry a little bit, then I'll reinstall it. Actually, real quick while it's off, I'm just gonna hit it with a wire brush, try to clean it up a little bit. Stay away from that flat side. Don't wanna scuff the surface. Now we'll let that chill out for a little bit and put it back on. Just gonna hit it with some compressed air real quick. Just kind of a low PSI. Just like that. This might be why they said to take off the throttle body. It's easier to see where your bolts are going in. All right, well, that's a moaning. All right, we'll do the back one first. The front one's way easier. Didn't catch. Caught, what caught? It's binding. You don't want it to be binding. Hey. All right. If this doesn't fix the idle issue, my next plan, plug that back in. The next thing I'm gonna try is checking for vacuum leaks and replacing vacuum lines, which I wanted to replace them all anyway, so, or as many as I can. I bought a bunch of extra vacuum line. Definitely give that a try and see if that helps. I won't really be able to tell if this helped until I go drive it around, because that's really when it was giving me the issue. It wasn't so much when I started it. Maybe I should go test drive it right now. Stays at 850. You can probably tell from the hood that we got some rain yesterday. I ended up having to kind of cut the recording. I didn't get to film an outro, but basically I cleaned the idle air control valve and everything's running better. Not like it wasn't before, but that idle fluctuation has stopped so far. I got another Miata video coming up after this, and also I have the gaskets coming in for the Corolla, so I'll get started on cleanup and reinstalling everything. Cleanup's gonna be a big video, but I think I'm gonna just keep it short. Anyway, if you like Miata content, leave me a comment, let me know. I'm gonna be kind of jumping back and forth between both cars. Subscribe to stay up to date. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've had this issue or if this helped out. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.